I think it'll be this right amount between is Craig a genius or an idiot? The truth probably lies somewhere in between. We shot a so many people, you hear old people on the road are like, I wish I would have done this, I wish I would have done that, I just didn't. And this is about going all in and doing that. Sean's the type of guy that never traveled before, and this is his first big trip, so he's imagining, you know, drinks on the beach, doing some partying, I think a few ladies.
Unless it's on an ocean. With Mai Tais.
And don't get me wrong, I love all that, but my type of traveling is a little more adventurous, a little more off the beaten path.
And I would actually love to go to Syria if the war's not on. So do we put that as a maybe?
And I think if we're going to clash, it's going to be on what road we follow, because mine I want to lead us to adventure.
You are, honest to God. If
you take me to Sudan, I will wreck your trip.
It's exciting for me because it's wide open. It's got a lot of potential, a lot of possibility. We're going to start in South America and work our way northward and westward and circumnavigate, I guess. Craig's travel style, I think he's a pretty experienced traveler, so I think he's going to be very relaxed, very just into the moment, having fun, kind of fly by the seat of his pants.
You don't need to worry about the details, man.
I'm a little more meticulous.
I probably do 3 or 4 rounds of this. This is round 2 right now.
So I packed quite thoroughly. It's hard for me to narrow down my stash of gear. It's an impressive stash. So primarily I just tried to keep it light. Keep it really simple, you know, some clothes, some basic necessities, and just see where we go.
That's 38.5 pounds.
Watching Craig pack was pretty much exactly what I expected, actually. I arrived at Craig's house. He hadn't packed yet, which was a little surprising. We were leaving the next morning. So it was fun to watch him run around and just kind of cram things into bags and cram those bags into bigger bags. But he seemed to get it all in there, so I think we're good to go.
7 months worth of clothes, done. I think I did 10 minutes, and
I'm probably on like hour 6.
I think I got extra room, which is why I'm gonna grab a football. Done deal. You don't cancel with the details, buddy.
Steven the monkey. He's a cute little fella. Golden tamarin or something, I don't know. Missing some eyeballs, some nostrils. Apparently he's been around, he's seen some hard miles, so he'll be a welcome addition.
What's going on with Steven?
Well, when I was in Colombia, I'd kind of split up from my one buddy that usually travels with me, Stefan, we call him Steven. And he was leaving too, so I got the monkey to replace him, and now Steven is kind of gone with me wherever I go. I got Steven.
Is there a romantic connection?
We talked about it, and
You with the monkey or you with the real Steven?
no, the monkey.
Is he an effigy? I feel like this is something we need to get out in the open before I embark on a trip with you. Let's get it all out on the table right now.
The monkey didn't feel right, the man, we just didn't even go there. That was unexpected combo right there.
Steven was in rough shape when I got here. We did a last minute eyeball transplant. Craig was initially supposed to perform the surgery. Couldn't make it happen, struggling.
Uh-oh. Dude, you gotta do this. I just don't have the fine motor skills.
Nose is still a little haggard.
Actually, I'm wondering if that eye is actually his nose.
Extended, but I feel like he's gonna pull through. Yeah?
We're going to do a series of releases for the next 6 months. And I just want to thank anyone that subscribes. It just means absolutely so much. Make sure you turn on the notifications. They're just as important. You don't want to miss out.